Hello, sir. This is Yash. Hope you remember me. First of all, congrats for completing a decade in this field. I do consider myself privileged to have a teacher like you. I do remember you not only taught about academics but also some learnings from Bhagavad Gita. I do believe your blessings are always there with me. Congrats again.
Hi, sir. Congratulations to you on this day. You have completed a whole decade in this field, and I was really fortunate enough to be your student, at least for a few months, because I had joined the academy very late. I still remember that day that I entered the class and the class was going on already. It was your class. I was clueless. But later on, it was such a fun. Like you became my favorite sir on that day itself, on the first day. Your classes were full of fun and knowledge. That's why we all loved you and always looked forward for your classes. That small period of time in Baramati was really memorable because of you. And you were always supportive because I still remember I had not completed much part of the portion and it was already late. So you helped me and Ketan to actually jot down the timetable for how we would complete our portion, and that actually helped a lot and gave me a lot of confidence that I could still do my work and there was some chance, and it actually worked. And thank you so much for your support, sir. I used to come at your place for my self study. Even Neha Didi helped me a lot. And really, that was most beautiful time of my life. Thank you so much for everything. I wish and pray that you progress in your life and in same way help and enlighten life of other students. Bye.
Hi, this is Shobna Priyadarshini from the batch of 2014 and 16. We were the first batch of Chaitanya's integrated course, and we had a lot of memories back then. And I'm very happy to be talking about Natwar sir because the one specific thing that I remember about him was his way of punishing students when they don't do homework, and that was the most unique punishment I have ever seen in my entire academic life because he used to ask students to get him a kg of mango or his favorite sweet or sort of anything of in that matter, and he used to ask them to bring that if they did not do their homeworks, which I find it very funny. And he was a very unique teacher, I would say. He used to always keep asking the students to tell him if they did not understand the concept. He used to keep asking it several times in the class. That is what I remember of him very fondly. So I want to just congratulate sir for completing a decade of encouraging students and training them to achieve their goals, like you helped achieve mine. So I am very very happy to be talking about your journey, and very glad to be a part of your journey, sir. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for everyone, and I wish you all the best for all your future projects. Thank you.